Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this dishwasher here. Model number KDTE334 GPS. Now we're just looking on the outside first off. This does come with Kitchenaid's patented print shield technology. Essentially what that is if there are any fingerprints or smudges or there's any smears, all you have to use is a bit of water and a soft cloth and it just rubs straight off. I don't have that with me right now, but essentially, if you could envision that, that's what would happen. So that's on the front. We're going to take a look at two different cycles that it has right here. So we have the Pro Wash cycle and the extended Pro Dry. Now, your Pro Wash cycle, essentially what that does, it will essentially determine what you have in your dishwasher, and it will figure out the cycle that it has to use and the correct water and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty cool. Now, the extended Pro Dry cycle is really cool. It uses fans and a heat element in the technology so that you don't actually require any rinse aid at all to get your whatever it is, your plastics, your glasses, whatever it is, there won't be any water left and you won't need to hand dry them after the cycle is over, which is pretty cool. Now, looking at the interior, just some cosmetic stuff. You've got the all stainless steel tub from the bottom and the sides, all around that. Basically what that does, it's going to reduce any streaks, any odor, and it also will help with the overall drying of the unit too. Now, as we look up here, we can see that we have the third rack here. Now, people, what they like to do is either they like to put their flatter objects like their spatulas and various other things like that, and that's fine. But another option that you can do here is you can take out the caddy. You can use extra space down here for casserole dishes or whatever it might be, and then you can convert and you can put all of your cutlery or all of your silverware, line it up in a row and put it up top, right there as well. And they have the individual jets. I know it's hard to see, but there's a jet right underneath there, so it gets an individual clean on the silverware. Another jet up here, so it gets your glasses and all that kind of stuff. And then your four-bladed jet right down here, so that gets all your dishes down here. One last little feature we got here is your bottle wash jets too. Now these are adjustable, so that you can, maneuver them in whatever way that you need for whatever it is that you will be washing. Also, this top rack, because there is a third rack, it does limit space, but they are adjustable as well with the two clamps at the side too. So that's pretty much all I have, other than the fact that this is a super quiet machine. It's 39 dBAs, which is way quieter than the average. It's an excellent dishwasher. The consumer reports on these are fantastic, so absolutely go check those out. And then also we have plenty of specs about this on our website. Go to our website, appliancefactory.com. And thanks guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next week.